In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox if it is not launching. Let's jump straight into it. The first step is to uninstall Roblox from your system. You'll need to go to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, click on the search box, and type in Remove Programs. Click on Add or Remove Programs under the Pass Match. Now, find Roblox from the list of programs. You can either scroll through the list or type in Roblox in the search box. Click on Roblox and then select Uninstall. This will take a minute or two to complete. Then right after, once it is uninstalled, you'll need to go to the command prompt. You'll need to open the command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the search box below. Type cd space app data slash local and then hit on enter. Then type rmdir slash s Roblox and then hit on enter. When prompted, type in Y for yes and hit enter again. Now you'll need to re-download Roblox. You'll need to open your browser and go to this link, which is roblox.com/download. Click the green download now button to reinstall Roblox. Once installed, Roblox should be configured correctly and the issue should be resolved. That's it. You've learned how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just write it down on the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to enjoying Roblox.